What's up, lucky heads? Myself and the team have been working really hard to get together a really nice mix of electric bikes available on our store so that everybody has access to a great bike. Behind the scenes, we have come up with what we believe are the best electric folders here in the UK. I'm talking portability and compactness, if that's a word.
It isn't.
That is at the heart of this video today. So that excuse for not having enough space at home for a bike, well, that can go back in the bin because there is a folder here for everyone. I've even got a code that I'll be sharing with you guys in this video that gets you £50 off any electric bike on our store, so keep watching. First up, I want to show you the dinkiest folder on my list today. This is the Axon Pro Lite. Now, if you're looking for a last mile solution or a daily compact commuter, this could be your bike. This bike weighs in at a very lightweight 15 kilograms. The 250-watt motor packs a punch and gets you up to 15.5 miles per hour really quickly. This bike is a single speed and it has a very simple 3 levels of assist. You'll see it takes a few rotations of the pedals before the assist kicks in, but this is something that you can change if you want to have a quicker activation. Now just make sure if you do change this up that you've made sure you turned off your bike before you fold it, because you could have a bike that wants to fly away. For a bike that's so dinky, it's really comfortable and boasts a range of up to 25 miles. It's really easy to take it on all kinds of transport. Here's me taking it up and down the escalator and hitching a ride on the tube. Now, before you say anything, electric bikes are allowed on the underground. It's e-scooters and e-unicycles that are not. Having taken it up and down stairs enough times, one thing I'd like to see on the next iteration is a handle for easy lifting. Instead, you've got to grab the seat post to lift it up. Not the end of the world by any means. Folding is really quick and simple. I'd argue this is the easiest to fold on this list. This is made to be thrown on and off buses, trains, boots of cars, and stored in the smallest of crevices. Next up is the Estarli E16.7. This is a fantastic geared option and boasts a little bit more range than the Axon at 31 miles, but thanks to those 7 gears, technically you get unlimited range because you don't need that assist to get pedaling. Like all these bikes on today's list, this one comes with a 250-watt motor that reaches the top speed of 15.5 miles per hour. This e-bike is so lightweight, it comes in at 14.5 kilograms, and with those 7-speed gears, it is so easy to get it up to and past the top speed. So even if you're running low on battery, you don't need to worry too much about getting yourself home. The E16.7 also comes equipped with lovely chunky balloon tyres, which is a nice addition for a bike that doesn't have any suspension, so it really compensates for when you're going over speed bumps and potholes. Overall, this bike is lightweight, it's nimble, and it's comfortable. And also, as I said before, it's really easy to push past the speed limiter because of how lightweight it is and because of those gears, so you can use your brute force to go as fast as you need. Some smart design features include a handle that is central to the bike to lift it easily because the weight is balanced. It also has a removable battery so you can charge separately, so it's super convenient. Folding again is very easy, it's quick. It also comes with magnets to hold the wheels together when folded. Even the seat post is cleverly designed to be a main stand once the bike is folded down. Like a lot of these folders, it's compact enough to go under your desk so you don't have to worry about locking it up in public. The E16 is a legitimate competitor to the much pricier Brompton. So if you want to see a full review of me doing a comparison of the two, then click the link right here. You may have noticed by now that I haven't mentioned Brompton or Go Cycle, and that is because, well, they're really big brands and everybody knows about them. We're here to support the lesser known brands who have just as much as a footing and that you guys need to know about and who we support. So if you want to get a Brompton or a Go Cycle, go for it, but here's some other options for you. Now, if you do want to buy an electric bike that is available on our store, then please do buy from us because it supports us, we'll support you, we'll look after you along the way, and it just means that I can continue creating content just like this. I'll even treat you to £50 off. If you would like 50 quid off your next electric bike on the Electroheads store, then use the code ALISH50 and you can bag yourself just a little bit of a bargain. Or if you live in the UK, then you could be saving up to 40% on your electric bike purchase through Electroheads. What we do is we use the Cycle to Work scheme. We can sort that all out for you. Just head on over to our website or head down to the description below. I'll drop a link of how you can check that out. Next up on my list is the largest wheeled ride of the day, which offers a streamlined combination of both power and portability in one very neat package. This is the ADO Air 20. It is a single speed with a carbon belt drive for minimal maintenance. It's also fitted with a torque sensor, so when you push down on the pedals, it feels like there's this bionic extension of your own force. It's a very natural assist. It's not a switch on and off. It gives more as you push more, and it gives less as you push down less. It also kicks in almost instantly as you push down, so you have a really speedy stop-start at the traffic lights. The combination of a single speed and torque sensor is dreamy if you live in a place like London where it's pretty flat and there are kind of a few hills here and there. But if you live somewhere like Sheffield and Northern England where the hills are steep, then I would probably recommend going for something maybe with gears, because with gears you have so much more flexibility when you're conquering that steeper terrain. ADO claims you can squeeze out 100 kilometers on one charge, and I was getting around 60 with my own tests in maximum assist. The Samsung 36 volt 9.6 amp hour battery, which is neatly hidden in the seat post, is removable, so you can charge on the go and make your bike much less of a target for thieves. It also means the bike can keep its sleek look, no bulky batteries in sight. You can also download an app to keep track of the exact percentage of your charge and track your mileage. Mudguards, a rear rack and metallic clips are available as an add-on, or you can spec up for an additional front suspension. Folding is, you guessed it, quick and easy. You may think with a larger wheel size the folded dimensions will be much bigger than the other 16-inch wheels, but you can see here there's minimal difference. The weight is a touch heavier than the others at 18 kilograms, but it is still very manageable when you need to quickly throw this bike on a bus or a train. The last two e-bikes that I want to show you guys today is the MiRiders. These two stand out specifically for comfort. The geometry of the frames means that there isn't too much compromise because of it being a smaller frame. So whether you're 5 foot or 6 foot, you can ride comfortably. They've got a telescopic adjustable seat post for quick readjustments and soft touch handlebar grips that helps cushion and spread out the weight in your hands. Both are equipped with rear suspension to soak up those potholes and speed bumps so that your bum can be cushy and your spine happy. They are a real treat to ride. This is the MiRider One, the cheaper single speed option of the two. Despite its bulkier appearance, it weighs in at an impressive 17.3 kilograms. It's another great option for taking on your multimodal commute. It's easy to lift, quick to fold, and the magnets that hold the wheels together are really strong, so it won't fall apart. And check this, each MiRider is built and inspected in person and given a badge of approval with their signature as proof. The MiRider One has 5 levels of assist and a very torquey motor that will send you off at the traffic lights. That rear hub motor really feels like it's just pushing you from behind beautifully, especially when you whack it up to level 5 assist. And in fact, the MiRiders both have a throttle, but I'm speaking legal UK terms because it will assist you from stop-start up to 4 miles per hour. There we go. And once you start pedaling and you hold that throttle down, it will take you all the way up to 15.5 miles per hour. Like I said, this is available on both the MiRider models. The handlebars are also really short, so it's great for getting in between traffic and congestion to get yourself home as quick as you should be. And it also means you're not knocking anybody's wing mirrors. This bike echoes simplicity with its low maintenance single speed setup, and it even packs a range of up to 45 miles on one charge. So this is a rangy folding electric bike. And FYI, the battery is removable, so you can charge it wherever you want to on the go. A step up in price and features gives you the MiRider GB3. This version has 3 gears, hydraulic disc brakes, a large colour display, wider handlebars, and a Cell Royale saddle for premium comfort. Folding is exactly the same as the single speed and weighs in at 19.4 kg. It is weightier than the MiRider One and is less balanced in weight distribution than other bikes on this list today, but it is great for storage. The 3-speed gearbox is matched with a custom belt drive system. First gear is for climbing or riding without assist. Second gear is for your more typical cycling, but I'm usually up in gear 3 when you're trying to ride at max speed or above. This bike is really comfortable. The display is lovely and bright and clear with everything you need to know, and the brakes are really good. One thing that I love in particular about the GB3 is the fact that the voltage is shown on the display, so you know exactly how full your battery is. 42 volts is full and 32 volts is empty. MiRider have done a fantastic job in crafting 2 really lovely folding bikes that perform at a level that you would expect for their price tag. I personally feel really confident riding both the MiRiders thanks to their geometry, their almost instant assist, and also the wider tyres. Our mission here is to build an army of Electroheads. Everybody should have access to a great electric bike. Even if you don't have that much space at home, you shouldn't have to miss out. Get yourself a folder. Choosing to cycle instead of jumping in your car or getting on a bus just means that you're doing more exercise, you're getting some fresh air depending on where you live. And to be honest, it just makes you a happier person. I mean, it does for me anyway. If you're interested in any of these electric bikes that I've mentioned today, then head on over to electroheads.com or go down to the description below where you can find a lot more detail on each bike. And of course, please do use Eilish50 if you want to get £50 off your purchase, or chat with us and we can talk to you about potentially saving 40% on an electric bike through the Cycle to Work scheme. All right guys, well that is it from me. I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop some comments down below. Please do hit that like button if this video has been any use of you today, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.